Good morning. Previous day online class and some online videos I already told you that pet animals and name of domestic animals. Okay. So today we already know that some pet animals name are here just like cat, dog, rabbit, parrot and fish. And you have some farm animals name just like goat, hen, donkey and cow, buffalo and horse. Here it is given in your book. But there are more animals just like they are domestic animals. Today what we will do at first you will take out your classwork copy. At first you will take out your classwork copy, science copy. Everybody will take out and take your pencil eraser. Okay? You will take your pencil eraser and take out your science classwork copy and write down animals heading at first. Okay? Write down animals heading. Put the classwork and date. Put classwork and date. Today is 25, 9 and 20. Okay? Classwork and date. Now what we will do we will draw something at first. Okay? At last we will do another work, but at first let's do something, just drawing. Okay? Ready everybody? With your copy, you can write down 2, just like 2. Do like this. Now everybody can do like this, 2. With 2, we can do a farm animal. Okay? With these 2, we can do a farm animal. 2, everybody write down 2. Thereafter, what you will do? Just like this. And thereafter, can you guess what is the name of this pet animal? Now, you can do this one. I know that. One by one, you can do this one. What is the name of this pet animal? This is a farm animal. It is duck. It is duck. Again I repeat now, just you will do at first 2. Just like this, you will write down 2 and like this. 2. Same problem. Okay. Now 2, we can do this like this. Everybody do this. And next, with the help of these 2, we can make a farm animal. This is duck. This is duck. You can color the duck as brown, as light orange, but the back this will be, what is the color this will be orange, and you will write down the name duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Okay? First you will do this one. Okay? Color it will be your homework. You will draw now and write down the spelling. Thereafter, I will give you a very important work today. Complete this one at first. With the help of 2, we can make a farm animal. Okay? So now everybody can complete this one. Who is there? Shamadrita Bose. Acha, okay. Nivedita, you have completed. Shubham completed. Ishan complete. Mriganko, oh, Mriganko already completed. Wow, wow, wow. Very good, very good. Superb. Shrestha completed. Wow, superb. Brintika completed. Shamadrita completed. Show me your duck. Avrodip completed. Wow, Shanchayan completed. Wow, very good. Navya completed, beta. You will write down the spellings. All of the students, this type of spellings you should learn, each and everybody, okay? Can you see the board? If you can see the board, you just raise your hand now. Those who can see the board, you raise your hand. যারা বোর্ডটা দেখতে পাচ্ছো, kindly raise your hand. Okay, okay. Okay, Nivedita, okay now. Avrodip, can you see the board now, beta? Mriganko, can you see the board? Okay, okay. Completed, very good. So now I can erase this one. So now I'll come here for today's another class work. You will just write down 3 types. Write down at first W, then write down dash, W for wild, W-I-L-D, wild, okay. Write down W dash wild, that means W for wild, P dash pet, P-E-T, write down W dash wild, W-I-L-D, wild, W dash wild, W-I-L-D. You will do this work also in your class work copy, okay, science work copy. W for wild, P for pet, P-E-T, write down in your copy. And F dash farm, F-A-R-M. That means now I will give you some names, some animals name that will be related with wild, pet or farm animal. If farm animal, then you will write down in the box F. If pet animal, you will write down P. If wild animal, you will write down W. Okay? Everybody write down this one. W dash wild, P dash pet, F dash farm. Okay? Everybody will write down at first. Thereafter I tell you what to do. Completed. Okay. Mriganko, very good. This one I have completed you. Very good. Abradip completed. Nivedita completed. Shanchayan completed. Shrestha completed. Asma completed. Okay. Very good. Very good. Navya completed. Navya, you should also learn all the spellings, beta. Good girl. Okay. Now, I'll now write down here. Left side, there is C-A-T, cat. Now, one by one, you will tell me, you will write down the first letter, C-A-T, cat. In the chat box, you can write down. It will be D, P, W or F. P, W or F. Pet animal, farm animal or wild animal. The answer will be P, W or F. I will write down here C-A-T, cat. You will also write down cat at first. C-A-T, cat. Shamadrita writing? Write down C-A-T, cat. In the box, you should write down the yes. P for only pet. Very good. Only write down the first letter. Okay. So, okay, very good, Sanchayan. Okay, now write down the answer. It will be P. Okay, just P for pet. Now I will write down here H-E-N. You will also write down the spelling H-E-N, hen. Thereafter you will write down P, W or F. What will be the answer? P, W or F. At first write down hen. H-E-N, hen. The spelling and then box. Okay. Nivedita, okay. Now, Abhradeep, writing. Mriganko, are you writing? Then show me your copy. Let's see. Hen, you write down this one spelling. H-E-N, hen. Okay. All the spellings you should write down by yourself, beta. I wanted to see your handwriting. Very good, very good. All of you are very good. So, H-E-N, hen. Hen is pet animal, wild animal or farm animal. A, P or W. Okay, I can. Huh? So, now I will write down here F for farm. Thereafter it will be here F-O-X. It will be W-P or F. W-P or F. Fox. It is farm animal, wild animal and pet animal. Which one is correct? Farm animal, pet animal or? Yes. Okay. Very good. Shamadrita, are you doing? Shamadrita, are you writing, beta? Now I will write down here W. I have no place here, so I can erase this one. You will continue after this. Okay? তোমরা এর পরেও লিখবে because I have no place. আমার এখানে place নেই. That's why I'll now erase this one. Thereafter D-O-G. Write down D-O-G and the box is there ready here. So it is W-P or F. It is wild animal, farm animal or pet animal. D-O-G, dog, you will write down. Also dog spelling you will write down in the yes, in your copy you will write down. Okay. Okay. Everybody are doing wow. Now I'll write down here pet and now last is lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. It is pet animal or wild animal or farm animal. L-I-O-N. Okay, lion. Do this first. Okay, very good everybody. Abhradeep, okay, Nivedita, all of you are doing, okay. Shanchan is also doing, okay, everybody are doing. Okay, very good, very good. Now, lion, that means it is W, wild animal. So, this one I have completed here. You will also do lots of work like this at your home and practice also. You will complete this one, okay. So, for today, up to this much, you will color the duck and complete this one also, okay. For today, ta-ta.